Hello guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to install and laptop Wi-Fi driver without internet for Windows 7 and 10 or 11. So guys, I am this video install or download laptop Wi-Fi driver in laptop. So very easy guys. Firstly click on start, type here this PC, right click on manage, and guys click on device manager. After click on network adapter, and after guys select and right click on properties. After click on details and click on this box and select hardware ideas and click on copy and select here. After guys click on open driver tab and click on driver tab download. Click on driver search and select here. After paste here. So as you select after save and click on download after install your PC. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to install or download Wi-Fi drive in laptop. So very easy way. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for latest update.